In Issuetrak, the substatus value represents each step in that issue's life cycle, such as assigned in process, approval pending, or waiting on parts. Anyone with the appropriate permission can manually change this value at any time, or you can set up substatus rules to change it automatically based on a specific issue event. To set a rule, navigate to Administration, Business Rules, Substatus Rules. From there, select the issue event when you want the substatus to change. Then choose whether to change the substatus from any value, no value, or only a specific value, and then select the new substatus value you want applied. Finally, select the process order to set which order the rules run on the issue. This is especially important because you can set up multiple rules for each available event. When finished, click Save. At the bottom of the page, you have the ability to use substatuses to pause the system clock when the issue isn't in your hands or can't be worked on. Simply select the substatus, then click Save. You can pause the clock on as many substatuses as you like. That's substatus rules in Issuetrak.